Hi guys, thank you guys again for joining me. In today's video I actually have something new and exciting, something that I've been watching her YouTube for a long time, something I've been wanting to explore for a really long time, but I've just never wanted to do it. And so today I'm bringing a haul from the Aesthetic Dollar, and I really have been enjoying her channel. If I remember, I'll link her channel down below that we guys can go follow her. But she is a budget, like a envelope stuffing cashing kind of gal. So let me take this stuff out. She does really cute packaging. I did kind of open it up a little. I'm trying to remember, what did I order? Give me 1 second. So I got this money bag, and I'll have her shop link down below too as well, but I grabbed this because if I'm going to be doing bank runs and pulling cash out to stuff cash envelopes and stuff, I figured this was the great addition. So this was the first thing, and I really do like it. It's really nice, good quality. You could put like your coins or receipts in here. Your money obviously will go in there. Let me see if I can give you guys a better look. It's nice. It's really pretty. This gold detailing. Remove this. AD for the Aesthetic Dollar, her logo. Really been enjoying all her stuff, you guys. And what did I grab? Oh yeah, the wallet, and I believe this is the A7. Hold on. Okay, this is the A7 zipper wallet, also from the Poppy collection. I have been waiting for a long time to get the A6 wallet, but it's just not coming back in stock anytime soon. So I was thinking maybe I could try this out for the time being. And it says, caring for your new Poppy. We hope you love your new Poppy and that she is perfect addition to your setup. So here's some tips to keep her in her best condition. Open and close the rings using the tabs. Avoid overfilling the wallet. To clean, use a warm damp cloth and dry immediately. Alcohol wipes may be used for tougher stains or marks. To avoid fading, do not leave in direct sunlight or for extended periods of time. So that's just kind of to take care of this, right? And then okay, that's what I was like, I know I did something wrong. So she always gives a free paper clip, and then some journaling thing kits here. Oh no, I did not forget. I did get these A7 what do you call these, blank cash envelopes, right? Because she has some that are filled and everything, but I kind of wanted them blank so I can label them for mine. Obviously this is for the A7 that fit in here, so I would have, like, let's say one would be for grocery. Okay, I hate that my camera keeps doing that. I will probably be renaming these to what I want it for, along with I also want to try to start saving up for 1 month ahead on my bills. So if and that will go like in a separate binder. So I have, like, for that, maybe I want to do one for, like, so one for the bills, one for what'd you call it, for holidays like Mother Days, Father Days, birthdays, stuff like that I want to start. And maybe one, I don't know yet if I want to, like, back to school for the kids. And then I just bought an extra one just for who knows what. But I'm hoping that when the A6 is the size that I want, because it's a little bit bigger, as you can tell from here. I think it's also taller, right? Yeah, I don't know if it's more narrow, the wallet, or not, but I'm hoping it looks more narrow in the pictures, but I don't know that I will like that. I even thought this was actually smaller, to be honest. So, and then one of these will go in there. So I'm super excited because this is something new, really new to me, because I've always been a budgeter, but I always use my Excel sheets. I use Excel along with planning in my planner, and I budget everything out by being obviously inflation. We know inflation is out there, and it just seems like lately I have not been able to stick to a budget, or I'm just like, it's the first of the, like, it's payday and I feel like my money's already been distributed and I don't know what it is, and I don't feel like we are spending more money than what we normally did. So I don't know. So I'm hoping this way maybe like I can stuff, you know, if I say, okay, groceries, I know we're spending $200, right? And I could probably do one for Sam, because we do go to Sam at least once a month, if not twice a month, for certain things like toilet paper, paper towels. So I could do like a Sam's and then like my normal groceries, and maybe like put in my receipts in here, and then that way I know, because it's obviously when you have a debit card, even though you know like you have the money and you say I'm only gonna budget 150, it's easy to swipe and use more. So I'm hoping maybe that will help with everything, and like, because I do mostly have to go grocery shopping if my husband needs to get something on his way from work. I mean, it's usually like tortillas or something like that. It's nothing like he goes full grocery mode on me. So, but yeah, but I'm super excited. I don't know if I will be filming this. It's something definitely new for me, and I'm hoping that I need to sit down and figure out how I want to do it, figure out how I'm going to set it up. So that process I may not film, because that will entitle bringing out my laptop, writing down all my categories that I currently budget for and everything. And I know when I spoke to my husband, he's not a big fan of me putting on numbers out there, but maybe I can do like, you know, like grocery stuff like that. Those budget with me, obviously not our full income, what we're getting in and out. Debt wise, I don't know. He was a little bit more picky on that one, just because he wasn't sure who all watches my videos. But I'm still trying to figure out, and I'll work what the best situation is for us and what's the best that we can do. But I'm hoping maybe with this, like, even if I do start staff cashing for I'm gonna hope for 1 month, and then we'll kind of add like 2 months, 3 months, 4 months of utilities, so that way and I think what came into play, a lot of it was that when I got pregnant 2 years ago with my little one, my youngest, or not my third child, she's our third child together, but natural birth, or by C-section, I shall say, second one. But anyways, she is our third kid, and so obviously I had to take time off. About a year and a half, no, she was 9 months when I got pregnant with my maybe last one, I don't know yet, my son, and I had to take time off work again. That pregnancy was really hard on me, so I was missing a lot more work than normal, or I was leaving work early, and I think a lot of that did come into play, because even though we were prepared for it, like he had his savings, I had my savings, it was just kind of a little thing where we jumped into a lot of things together without really like sitting down and focusing. So I think that played a big part. I mean, thankfully everything's been able to cover, we're not getting behind and all that, but it's been 2 rough years per se, just trying to manage our money and just balance each other out, because I'm more of a budgeter and he's more of just tell me how much you need and that's it, right? So we bump heads on that end. So I'm hoping this way, maybe like even if he has to come and grab these, he can see where we're at money wise, and even just saving up a couple months in advance. I would love to have 6 months in advance for bills as a reserve, just because you never know what can happen, especially with everything increasing. Like, I'm just trying to stay to a bigger budget. I'm also trying to figure out maybe meal planning might play a big part. So this is just the beginning of a new budgeting journey for myself, and I'm just so excited. And I hope you guys, I'm gonna see what I can share with you guys and what I can, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I've been watching the Aesthetic Dollar for a long time now, and I finally caved in and said, I'm gonna do this. I wanna get ourselves to a better financial opportunity, just to free up my mind. And I think my worry is because now we have 4 kids in totals versus when I had 1. Clothes is expensive. Clothing, you know, clothing, shoes. I have 2 that I have to buy diapers. One's still on formula, so it's just like these expenses, they just kind of wrapped up on me without me, like, I knew they were coming, but I wasn't prepared. So hopefully doing this will prepare us and just give myself the ease of mind that we are great, because if I have to quit work or something, or I don't know, whatever the case is, we're good, because we have 6 months savings. If possibly a year would be amazing. That way I don't have to worry about, like, remember to transfer money or this or do that, or I can stick to a better budgeting system, maybe pay off a little bit more. Like, we have a house mortgage, we have a car payment, pay a little extra on that if I do happen to under budget, like let's say for food or something. So the ideas are out there, and I'm hoping having physical cash in my hands will help me do that better versus how I have it right now in an Excel sheet, and then I just use my debit card, and then at the end of the week I figure everything out. But then sometimes we over budget because I'm just swiping. I'm not physically giving that money away, nor do I know how much I have left. So yes, this was a long video of me talking, but this is a new journey and I'm super excited, and wish me luck, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that way you guys get notified every time I post a new video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.